Hello, I'm Rachel Jones for the Finance News Network. Joining me for an update from Aus Tin Mining is CEO Peter Williams. Peter, welcome back.
Thanks, Rachel.
Aus Tin Mining has recently undertaken testing for ore sorting at Taronga. Would you mind explaining how ore sorting works and what the benefits are?
I'd be delighted to. We're actually very encouraged by the results. What we've seen with the results is that a significant amount of waste can be generated and separated from the ore whilst recovering a majority of the tin. And in the overall results, we actually saw about 37% of the waste that was rejected, but still recovering about 96% of the tin. So very good results. But what was particularly interesting was the fact that at a slightly smaller size range, where liberation has had more an effect and separated the valuable cassiterite from the waste material, we got quite an extraordinary result in that we rejected almost 66% of the waste whilst recovering 93% of the tin. So certainly very encouraging. And we're progressing with our next stage of work.
Aus Tin Mining reported successful results from the test work. Would you mind explaining the results and the implications for Taronga?
The implications for Taronga down the track are that the size of the downstream processing plant would be significantly less. So if we adopted the results from the smaller increment, the 8 to 25 millimetre results, for every 100 tonnes of material that goes through the crusher and into the ore sorter, only 34 tonnes are actually presenting to the main plant. So that will actually see capital costs potentially reduced and/or an increased throughput capacity.
Does ore sorting have application for your other projects?
It certainly does, Rachel. At Granville Tin Project in Tasmania, we have a number of legacy waste stockpiles. And there is the potential to treat those stockpiles and recover the tin that may be in those. And certainly that's a practice that has been successfully implemented in other projects, tin projects around the world, notably one in Peru. But also it has ore sorting has potential for Mount Cobalt. We actually undertook some work last year for ore sorting, and what we were able to show was there was a very significant difference between XRT sorted high-grade material and the waste material. And you can see on the attached slide, the darker zones within the slide are the high-grade cobalt or the asbolite. And so there is the potential to use ore sorting at Mount Cobalt to produce a beneficiated product.
Peter Williams, thanks for the update.
Yeah, same, Rachel. Thanks for that.